Sudha, welcome to today's class, that is cost. Is it audible, Sudha?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So in today's class, we are going to discuss about the costs. So what are the costs? So what is meant by cost? So it is the amount of money spent to produce goods. So it is a concept which is related to the producer. So later on, so in cost, there are different types of cost. One is total cost. So total economic cost of production consisting of fixed and variable costs. So there are two type of costs. One is fixed cost and the second one is variable cost. So fixed cost means costs that don't change based on production. So example, rent. Variable cost that change with rate of production. So fixed cost means it will not change according to the production, and variable cost means it changes according to the production. For example, cost of raw materials. So when total cost, it is an addition of fixed cost and variable cost. So there are two type of cost. One is fixed cost and the variable cost. In the total cost, whenever we are adding fixed cost and variable cost, it is called as total cost. So in the total cost, we can see the graphical representation here. So total cost, how it is, the curve is moving. So it is a TVC plus TFC. So this TC curve, it totally depends upon the TVC curve, and TFC curves, it is a horizontal curve. So whatever the changes are occurring in the TC curve, so that means, so whatever the changes occurring in the TC curve, so that is fixed cost. So there is no change in the fixed cost. So whatever the changes are occurring in the variable cost, so depend upon that only. So depend upon that only. So the TC curve is changing. So in this, we can see that, so main thing, so what is the TC curve? So Bhargavi, is it audible to you? Vinipistanda? Bhargavi.
Madam, వినపడిస్తుంది ma'am.
Okay. So here in TC curve, so whatever the graphical representation is there, so here we can see the TFC curve, and then TVC curve, and then TC curve. So here fixed means no change. So here we can see that there is no change in the TFC curve. So whatever is the change is happening in the TVC curve, so that only it is the reason for the change in the TC curve. So here, so different types of cost. So there are different types of cost. One is economic cost. So the cost of production, which take into account both explicit cost and implicit cost, can be considered as economic cost. So what is economic cost means? It is a addition of explicit cost. Explicit cost means whatever the factors which are causing from outside. So that is called explicit cost. And implicit cost means whatever the cost incurring within the production, that is inside of the company, that is called implicit cost. So you both mute your speakers, Sudha, Bhargavi. మీ స్పీకర్స్ ని మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే
Okay ma'am.
ఓకే. So economic cost means the cost of production which take into account both explicit cost and implicit cost. So here so explicit cost means, so money payments that a firm makes to the outsiders, So explicit cost means so money payments that a firm makes to the outsiders. That means it is not inside of the firm. So out of pocket cost, that is salaries, price paid for raw materials, etc. It is also known as accounting cost. So then implicit cost, the cost of self-owned resources which are employed by the firm and are non-expenditure cost. That means this is the cost which we are incurring within the company. So is it clear? So explicit cost, you can in the chat box also, the down there is a chat box. So in that also you can type S if it is clear to you. Are you able to see the chat box? So here, whatever the curves are there, so here we are able to see that marginal cost, then average total cost, then average variable cost. So average fixed cost. Here we are seeing that. So average variable cost is like U-shaped curve, and then average total cost is also U-shaped curve, and then average fixed cost, it is a falling curve from left to right. So in the first, this slide, economic cost means it's a combination of explicit cost and implicit cost. And there are different costs. Marginal cost. Marginal cost means the addition to cost associated with one additional unit of output. That means whatever additional unit we are producing. So whatever the cost we are incurring to produce the additional product, so that is called marginal cost. Then total cost. So there are two types. So in average cost also, there are two types: average variable cost and then average total cost. So this is a graph where we can see that average fixed cost, average variable cost, and then average total cost. So whatever the change is there in the average fixed cost, so there is no change in the average fixed cost. That means it is a falling curve from left to right. So whatever the changes are occurring in the variable cost, that only we can see that in the change in the total cost also. And we know that it is a U-shaped curve, and the MC curve is also U-shaped curve. So we know that already we have discussed in the class. So whatever the U-shaped curve, that is AC curve, so it will MC curve, it intersects from below. And the next concept is revenue. So amount of money earned after selling the products. So it is a revenue which we are earning. So whatever the amount of revenue or money earned after selling the products. And then, so what are the different types of revenue? So one is total revenue, that is total earnings from sales over a certain period of time. So how you will get total revenue? Price into quantity. And then average revenue is revenue generated by, that is TR by Q. So the whatever the quantities we have produced, that we are dividing with the total revenue divided by quantity, then we are getting average revenue. And the marginal revenue we are dividing, I mean whatever the change in TR divided by the change in delta Q, that is marginal revenue. That means whatever the additional unit we are producing, so with the selling of additional unit, so whatever the revenue you are getting, that we are calling it as marginal revenue. And this is the graph which we can see here. So the total revenue curve and the average revenue curve and the marginal revenue curve. So here we can see that average revenue curve and marginal revenue curve both are same only. It is horizontal to the x-axis, and the TR is, it is upward sloping curve. It is upward sloping curve from left to right. That means whatever the changes are happening. So here, so LAC means it's a long run average curve. So long run means, so whatever the short runs are there, so that we are additioning or joining all these curves, whatever the points. So then we'll get the long run average curve. So is it clear? చాట్ బాక్స్ లో టైప్ చేయొచ్చు మీరు. చాట్ బాక్స్ అంటే కింద మీకు చాట్ బాక్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఓకే సుధా, ఇట్స్ క్లియర్. భార్గవి, Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is only a trial version. That means I am just making a trial, and afterwards we can join all our students, and then we can make another concept. If you are having any doubts, you can raise the doubts. Any doubts, Naima?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I am ending the session here with. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.